Welcome to ScissorMoney, a 14-day overdraft prevention strategy designed as a blue-collar AI educational handbook. Our goal is to stop fees and protect your paycheck. Overdrafts are often not about being bad with money, but about bad timing. This is the timing trap, where bills are paid before the next deposit arrives, sending your balance below zero. Your toolkit includes the AI prompt for directing the AI, the PDF for step-by-step instructions, and the sheet for calculating the math for you. Step 1. Define the danger window. This is the exact time between now and your next payday. Overdrafts happen inside this window. Survive this period to protect your funds. Map your danger window by noting your next payday, net pay amount, and the bill list due before payday. Include all automatically deducted payments, like rent and utilities. Step 2. Establish your armor. The safe buffer is your armor against bank fees, and the number you refuse to drop below. Set this floor at $50 or $100, depending on your overdraft frequency. Step 3. Reorder payments by consequence. Prioritize must-pay bills like rent and utilities, which protect your ability to earn. Then cover credit minimums and wait to schedule everything else after the danger window. The 14-day execution plan is split into 3 phases. Day 1 to 3 is triage, Day 4 to 7 is the watch, and Day 7 to 14 is stabilization. Days 1 to 3 focus on triage and defense. Kill surprises by turning off autopay for non-essentials. Move bill due dates to after payday and set hard caps or specific numbers for gas and groceries. Days 4 to 7 are the 60-second watch. Daily, track your danger window balance for 60 seconds. If your balance approaches the safe buffer, pause all spending. If not, continue to payday. Week 2 is about building stability with the mini buffer ladder. Grow your buffer in small increments like $10, $25, and $50. Focus on stability first and savings later. Quick wins to stop the bleed include declining overdraft protection if fees are high and utilizing the survival split. Separate bills money from spend money using 2 accounts if needed. When the math doesn't work, use the AI advantage. If bills exceed your pay, use the survival split AI prompt. It calculates the exact ratio of bills to income to prioritize survival payments automatically. Here is the ScissorMoney Master Checklist to guide you. Define the danger window, set the safe buffer, reorder bills, audit autopays, set hard caps, and perform the daily 60-second balance check. Get the tools and start the plan today. Download the Master Pack, which includes the PDF and sheet. Use the AI command and start day 1 now. This is paycheck planning for real life.